Hi viewers, welcome to the Fast Profit Daily video series. Myself Brijesh Bhatia here. In this video, we'll be learning about what is seasonality analysis. So if you look at your screen, we have taken Nifty data right from 1996 to 2020. And if you look at this table, what are the Nifty returns month on month is been mentioned over here. So right from 1996, how the month on month Nifty has performed. This is the percentage move on the positive side, which is denoted by green, and the red denotes which has ended on a negative zone. And if you look at the average over here, the bottom line, the average move of last 25 years, including the positives and negatives. And if you look at the December has been a superb for bulls. And generally bulls roar in the month of December. And if you look at the 2020, it's been showing around 5.5%. So, and if you look at which is so far how it has performed from 1st of December till 16th of December, and that's the move which it is showing into the December series. And if I just look at the average pre 2020 for December, it's been around 3.5%. And if you look at the January, as we are moving into the January now, 2021, though 2020 for it has been slightly worse due to the pandemic, but as we are stepping into 2021, we think that this chart is very much important for you to look out how Jan has been for the Nifty. And if I just look at the last 25 years of data, 13 has been on a negative side, while 12 has been on a positive side. And if I look at the average return, it's been negative with 0.07%, though it's been on a flatter side. But if you look at the average, it's been 13 negative versus 12 positive, so a slightly inclined towards bears. We are just moving one step ahead into the analyzing the seasonality chart. Now, if you look at the December and January, where we have been correlating the December moves with the January now, and if you look at the historic move, so we have taken a benchmark as positive 2% for December, because if you look at the December, it's been 3.5% positive. So we are taking a base of 2% positive. So a year where December has been positive more than 2%, it's been around 14 instances where December has been on a positive with more than 2% in last 24 years. So we are excluding 2020 because it yet to finish. So if I just look at 1996 to 2019, we have been taking 24 years, and out of that 24 years, 14 years, the monthly return for December is more than 2%, which is amazing for December. And bulls should are having a center really, I would say, for the December. Now, if you look at the December, more than 2%, and how more than 2% move have been supporting the January numbers. Now, if I just look at that, out of 14, the positive months for more than 2%, into the January, if you look at the moves, 9 times out of that 14 times, January has been on a negative side, while if I just look at the 5 time, it's around positive. So if I just look at the correlation where Nifty has been more than 2% positive in December and compare it with the January, 65% times bulls are generally giving up and bears are taking the lead into the January series after the more than 2% rally. Now, what are the average percentage of that 14 times and average percentage of 5 times? Uh, to the surprise, it's both are around 6.5% average percentage. So when 14 times it has ended negative, out of 14 times 9 has ended on a negative. So note, it has been 6.5% average versus 5. Even if you look at it, 5 times positive average, it's around 6.5%. So as 2020 is ending on a positive note, and as we are ending on an all-time high, we would still suggest look at this table when we are moving into the 2021. And we think that 2021 generally might be the year where we might see some profit bookings coming up. So definitely look for some profit bookings at the end of the year. And we think moving on to the Christmas, this chart is very much important for you as an investor. 2021, if in case you see something slightly cautious, try to book some of the profits. Thank you. Before signing off, kindly click on the subscribe button so that you receive the notifications regularly for this video, and do subscribe to our newsletters for fast profits daily on our website Equity Master, and so that you can receive such kind of emails regularly. Signing off, Brijesh Bhatia. Thank you.